barnacle is this? Hello everybody, Sean the Magical Weeb here. Today, I have just been informed about something quite interesting that's going to be coming out next year, I believe, which is an anime about magical girls, but not magical girls. I'm talking magicians, as in real-life magicians who do card tricks and stuff like that. And yes, not only that, but it's also an ecchi. This is going to be really weird. So, I've just been informed that this was originally based on a manga, which I was actually curious about, so I looked up. I'm probably going to read that manga because I'm really curious on how either bizarre or cheesy this turned out, or maybe it'll surprise me and it'll actually be good. I mean, honestly, I'm excited no matter what, because it's an anime about magician girls, which is really, I don't know, intriguing. But let's be real, this is going to be probably a really bad story. I'm just super hyped for it, because I'm excited to see how ridiculous this turns out, I guess. I mean, think about it. We got an ecchi about a magic club where anime girls are at it, and they perform magic. This is going to be the weirdest thing ever. So far, all I've seen is the trailer. That did not help. It looks absolutely ridiculous. Honestly, that's part of why I'm excited for this, because it looks so ridiculous. If you don't believe me, look at the trailer. It is quite something. This is called Magical Sempai, for those of you who haven't read the title of this video, or maybe you just clicked into it because of the interesting thumbnail I added. So this is going to be quite interesting. I'm going to be following the manga after this, probably put some updates about my thoughts on each volume. I'm probably going to watch the anime too. So that was my first thoughts of Magical Sempai as a magician before watching it, before reading it, what I believe it's going to be. So very biased opinions because I haven't even seen anything about it aside from the trailer. But, you know, I've seen enough anime to know what this is going to turn into. This is going to be really weird. I'm excited to see how bizarre this will turn out. So thank you guys for watching. That's pretty much it. I'll see you next time. Peace.